Scade Pro AI, how does it work? First, you want to open up Scade Pro and set up a new project. So launch Scade Pro and then create a new project. You can do this by clicking on Create New Project from the homepage, then choose a template and then set up the project details like app name, platform, and deployment target. Then access Scade Pro AI tools. So navigate to the AI section. After setting up your project, open up the project's code editor. In the left sidebar, you will find an option labeled AI Tools or AI. Click on it to open the AI configuration panel. Then select the AI model. Scade Pro provides a variety of AI models and tools for different functionalities such as image recognition, text classification, and natural language processing. It also has predictive analytics. Then integrate your AI model into your project. So choose an AI model, add the model to your project, and then configure the model. Then write code to use the AI model. Set up API calls. For example, Swift will be this right here, and for Kotlin, for Android, will be this right here. Then handle AI responses, and then test and debug the AI features. So you can do this by using the simulator in Scade Pro to test the AI integration. Input data into fields or upload images depending on the AI model you're using and see how the AI responds. Then check the console for errors. Use the debugging tools in Scade Pro to inspect any errors in the code or AI responses. Then you can fine-tune AI models and train custom models as well as model optimization. And then deploy and publish your AI enhanced app. So build the app and then publish to the App Store. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.